Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ahla wa sahla feekum. This is Ibrahim with you. Welcome to another episode of Arabic Phrases. In today's episode and the following episodes, we will be looking at one of the most well-known Arabic dishes and a little bit more about the historical facts behind the dish, how it was created, when it was created, and the reason and why it was named with such name. Without further ado, let's start. First of all, let's talk about tabbouleh. Tabbouleh, lots of people, when they think it's Lebanese. It might be because they've added something elsewhere. But who actually started making tabbouleh? First of all, let's look who actually invented tabbouleh. So tabbouleh was actually invented by the Chaldean Empire around year 539 to 625 BC. They actually started Tabbouleh. The story of Tabbouleh goes way back. Chaldean Empire who ruled and settled around the Mesopotamian area around the 3rd millennium BC, so 539, around 539 BC. And the word Tabbouleh is actually derived from the root TBL, and in Chaldean it means mixing, which mixing vegetables all together. Back in the day, they used to mix a variety of vegetables and they would offer it to their kings or masters or their rulers. And then looking back, how tabbouleh was actually reached to the Levant area was actually because of trading, other cultural interactions, or could be during the invasion from the Chaldeans and the Babylonians. But actually we don't really have any exact dates when actually this dish was moved or transferred or was introduced to the Levant area, or what we know to this very day, Lebanon. But a lot of people would say it was around the year 600 BC. But there's something, it goes without saying, that we owe the Lebanese a great deal of gratitude, how they actually improved and developed this dish. And nobody knows exactly when they actually added burger. But lots of people think it was around the Bekaa Valley, and that is mainly because of the widespread of wheat cultivation, hence, and that is one of the main reasons, and that's one of the theories or explanations when it was actually started to but actually, no one knows exactly when it was introduced, or when. But no one knows exactly when burger was added to tabbouleh. But we don't have any exact or detailed documents documenting and detailing that at a certain time they started to add burger to tabbouleh. However, some historians, they say it was actually burger was added to tabbouleh during the Mamluki era, and that was mainly because of their support and great help to cultivation and farming in the Bekaa Valley, and that was just mainly because of the wide spread of wheat cultivation in the Bekaa Valley. And it was actually then it started like that, and then it was improved later by adding other ingredients to it to this very day, because these days every person, they actually make this dish differently to another, and some people say it's Syrian, some people say it's Lebanese, some people say it's Iraqi, going back with the theory that the Chaldeans actually invented this dish because they used to eat it on a regular basis, and they used to their kings and leaders. So we don't really exactly know for 100% sure, but lots of documents that actually they say it was dated to the Chaldeans, and that's how we came about. And to this very day, it has become one of the most well-known dishes in Lebanese cuisine. So we actually owe them a great deal of gratitude to what they did with tabbouleh by improving this dish. And do please let me know if you're actually a tabbouleh eater, or if you make tabbouleh, and let me know how do you make your own tabbouleh recipe and share it with everybody else, so we'll see how do you make your tabbouleh. I hope you really enjoyed this episode and had a great time learning some fun facts about tabbouleh. Till next time, keep well and ma salama.